If your video has a shareable embed code, you can retrieve and add the code to your page using the HTML editor. First, you will need to retrieve the embed code from the platform where your video is hosted. In this example, we will retrieve an embed code for a video that is hosted on YouTube. The process may differ depending on the platform, and you can find some additional examples in our support documents. You can, however, typically find the embed code in the video's share options. Here, you can simply copy the code. On your page, you can then open the HTML editor. Clear any formatting and paste the code where you would like to embed the video. When you close the HTML editor, you can preview your embedded video and use the formatting tools to adjust its placement and alignment. You can also resize your video by updating the width and height attributes in the HTML code according to your preference. If these attributes are not available in the embed code, you can simply add them as seen in this video. When you then click Save and Display, your embedded video will be available in your course for users to interact with.